What are we making, Momo?
Butter chickpeas.
Butter chickpeas? We are making a very easy version of butter chickpeas. It's like a version of butter chicken, but with chickpeas and potato. Are we gonna make it easy for everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so what we need, first thing, this is how I make it really fast. This is you coming home from work and like, what am I gonna make for the kids and for the family, or what are you gonna make for yourself? Here's a quick recipe. Potatoes, chop them up into cubes, big ones like that, and then I just put in the microwave while I'm cooking so they soften up. So then you don't have to boil them or anything. So I just put some onions in a little bit of oil, just a touch. If you don't want to use oil, you could just add a little bit of water and cook out the onions in the water. So while you're cooking the onions, you're cooking the potato at the same time. We have a tip for you. If you want your onions to caramelize faster, add the salt while they're frying off. Now, Momo's been so excited about putting the salt in there, so we don't want to ruin it for him. Now, you put the salt in. Yeah, and that is gonna help caramelize my onions faster. Thanks for the tip, Shona. And my friend Lenora, this is her recipe, and it's the quickest butter chickpeas I've ever had, and it's so tasty. So I just want to thank her for the recipe too. It's been a staple in our house now. I just put depending on how strong your microwave is, I put the potatoes in there for about 5 minutes and they get soft. So this way you don't have to wait. Once you've cooked the food, you don't have to wait for the potatoes to cook through. It's already done. So it's a really quick dish in that sense. I'm actually gonna start putting the spices in. Momo has mixed all the spices through, but what we have is ginger and cumin.
Mama, I know what this one is.
Yep, that one is, can you say it's garam masala?
Garam masala.
And curry. And curry. So it's the main, butter Indian curry ingredients. And I just cooked that through for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Now we're gonna I've put in passata. So passata tomato, you get it in jars at the supermarket. We'll put that in. Yeah, mix it through. Now, and I think this is Lenora's secret ingredient, but she uses 1 can of condensed tomato soup, and it makes it delicious. And then I let that cook through for a little bit, and we'll put the chickpeas in there. Delicious.
Yum.
Mix the chickpeas through the potatoes, which are hot, so don't use your fingers. Take my advice. And I'm gonna put some light coconut milk in it as well, or coconut cream, light coconut cream. Oh, and that is looking awesome. And we are gonna let that simmer for 5 minutes and it's ready, that's it. And while this is simmering, I just use packet rice. I'm gonna put it in the microwave you can get it at any supermarket now.
Mama, can I put it in?
If you've got time, you can make your own rice, but you can put it in for me. Yep, let's go. Yep.
I'm fine.
So I'm gonna put my rice in there. Now you can use quinoa, whatever you like. We've made the biggest mess, but I guess that's what it's all about, isn't it, with the kids? There we go, ooh la la, yay. Okay, you can put a little sprinkle on top if you like of the coriander, just on top of here. It's simmered for 5 minutes and we are going to serve it up, okay?
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. That is awesome. I just love this dish. The flavors, the creaminess, butter chickpeas. Say bye, see you next time.
Bye, see you